All right, good morning, everybody. Sorry about that delay. My name's Ken Shaw. I'm the CEO of SOS Online Backup. I'm joined here today by Jeff McCauley, our VP of Sales, Derek Wood, our Product Manager for Collaborate, and Damon Morris, our Head of Account Management, all people you probably know if you're an existing SOS partner. Today we are launching a brand new product into the space, SOS Collaborate, which is our answer to many of the web-based document management and collaboration solutions that have been launched. But specifically, as nearly everything we do here at SOS is focused on our channel partners, our big take on this new category of technology is to bring a product to market that you, our partners, can use. In terms of what we'll be covering today, we'll go through what Collaborate is all about from a product standpoint. We'll then look very specifically what this means for you, our existing partners. We've probably got some people on the line today who are not current partners, so a lot of this will be interesting to you. But for anybody who's already an existing partner of SOS, you're going to see a lot of things that are consistent with the way SOS has already done things. So everything's brandable. You get to set all your pricing, and we're going to see a lot of similarities to the traditional SOS partner program. We'll go through which of your customers are great targets and sales prospects for this technology, how the new program will work vis-a-vis the Collaborate product, how you can get started, of course, and then at the end of the presentation, which will probably go for about 30 or so minutes, we'll then do a very detailed technology Q&A, and we'll do a product demo and walkthrough. Just a matter of housekeeping, can I just get confirmation that the audio and video is coming through as expected? We've got a large audience today, so I want to make sure everything's working. Yeah, the GoToWebinar software has got a question tool built into it that allows you to talk to us as we're going through the webinar today. If you could just use that to let me know if the AV is all working as expected, that would be very useful. There we go. Excellent. Terrific. Okay, great. Now that I've got you all to use the questions tool of GoToWebinar, I'm going to give you our request to you, and that is this. We want to make today as dynamic and interactive as possible. The audience today is predominantly existing SOS partners. All of the people here in the room are probably people you're familiar with. Many of you have attended webinars that I run. You all know Jeff, who runs our sales organization. You all probably work with Derek and his team in getting your rebranded online backup product, and you all know Damon, who runs account management. So we really want to make this a discussion with our partner base. We want to get your impressions of the technology, but most importantly, we want to know your questions starting right now. So for those of you who have been to my webinars, this will be the same. We'll take questions all throughout the presentation. We'll then have a dedicated Q&A at the end. But the way these things work the best is if we can make it as interactive as possible. You got something to add there? No, that's key. Terrific. Okay. All right, let's dive in. And yeah, okay. One thing I should point out is there's a giveaway to all of you at the end so that you can actually get a taste of Collaborate for use in your own environment. Stick around to the end of the presentation for details on how to get access to that. All right, so what is SOS Collaborate? At a high level, Collaborate is a combination of a document management system with a file server with our cloud storage platform. And it's really at the intersection of those three technologies. In terms of what Collaborate allows you to do, it's really targeted at optimizing workflows and making small teams and large teams, but particularly distributed teams, far more efficient at working together. So from Merriam-Webster to Collaborate, to work jointly with others or together, especially in an intellectual endeavor. A little corny, I know, but I think captures pretty well what this product does. We went around and around and around what we should call this SOS Sync, SOS File Share. And what we really landed on was Collaborate as a verb because we think it really conveys what this technology is all about. We're going to cover a lot of the benefits of the technology, everything from managed file transfer to secure email attachments, using it as a file server in the cloud. It's a very versatile solution. So at a high level, I will say that our traditional backup technology, which all of you use, is really all about hardcore backup to the cloud, and it's very, very focused on that. Collaborate is a far more general purpose solution, and we're using it ourselves heavily in-house, and we're already finding newer and newer ways of using the tool And so we really expect that as well. This is a platform technology that enables people to work better together online. Think a business version of Dropbox, but also a channel-friendly version that you can resell to your customers. So we're going to see it used in a lot of different ways. All right. So why SOS and why now in terms of timing for launching a new product like this? Well, for those of you who are familiar with this slide from other sales and marketing material or webinars or customer events, you'll know we've always said that there were 4 key things that SOS is all about: protecting data, helping you access your data, helping you share that data, and managing that data. For those of you who followed our product rollout over the last 12 months closely, you'll know about the rollout of our Pulse product, which really attacks the management portion of this slide. SOS has obviously always been about protecting data, and the core backup product has had some access and some share functionality built into the core experience, so you can back up your data and then access it from any device. One of the things we found is that there were more and more partners and customers using the core backup technology for the access and share vectors of this diagram. And we came to the realization that backup and collaboration, which I'm using collaboration here to refer to share and access together, that sometimes one piece of technology can't do both. So we set out to create a new product that would really target the share and access piece of this. So really what it boils down to now is SOS has got 3 core products, and you've got 3 core products in your toolkit from SOS. SOS Online Backup, our core backup technology, which has sharing, access, and manage built into it. Our dedicated Pulse product, which takes that management to a whole new level and is far more competent at managing your data in your private clouds. And now our new Collaborate product, which really focuses on access and share. So the best way for you to get all of the benefits of the SOS technology stack is to use all 3 products together: Backup, Collaborate, and Pulse.